Yeah, good evening, my people. What's up? I like you. Thumbs up, bro. Thumbs up. Good evening, everybody. Thank you, thank you, thank you. As you just they call me, thank you, and God bless you. Just stay tuned, I beg. Just stay tuned because this is a very important issue that concerns our nation, Nigeria. This time. So I beg, make we understand this simple issue. We and why just talk so I better try share this video. Let us still go viral, go meet police. You understand? This is a serious issue of a security. You understand? Security is supposed to be freedom. Security men are supposed to be freedom out of politics. That is how security goes in every reasonable country. You understand? In every reasonable country, security is supposed to stand as freedom from any political party. Securities are not supposed to work for any political party in any freedom reasonable country. But our country, no. Our police are attending rallies. Our police are pasting posters in their police stations. Our police are supporting. Our police are telling you this is who they are going to work for. Are we not a doom? Are we not a big problem? Are we not a big problem? Are we going to continue to keep quiet for this nonsense? Nigerians, please, let's reason together tonight, please. Let's talk together. Let's reason together. Let's see this issue. If it's right for a police to be working for a politician in a country that is a civilian country, is a democratic country, I don't know what they say, called democracy, where they make us crazy. My brothers and sisters, listen to me. If it be say medicine no dey pain you, dey pain those wey dey see am. Because why? If police fit talk say they go work for party, which means our vote no count, our nothing dey count for the country on that day. That's why I beg all Nigerians, I beg, no matter the oppression wey they go give una for that ground, the take it back movement, you just please stand on your feet and fight for your country the way you are doing it now. Please, Nigerians, please support this struggle, because this struggle is a struggle that give a full details to our life, a full meaning to our life. Please, Nigerians out there, support this struggle. Don't allow this police to intimidate this party. Don't allow this police to tell them not to do their thing. This is a free nation. We have right to take our country back. Police officers, we have right. Please, we have right to take our country back. Police officers, please. I beg. I could wonder if na the same market where police officers they go, now our family they go. If na the same things where they happen to them, na the same salary where the rest worker they receive. See, let me tell you, Nigerians, these are the reason why BC Buhari go increase police salary and police income, because of the one use them. So this one I waiting with they see now for inside this Nigeria, what they call Bodo Nigeria. So this one I waiting with they see now. This one I waiting with they see now. Say na Nigeria now, na I call that police, na politician. Buhari election don't reach. Buhari carry money, go they give police for it to increase workers. Workers they cry for money. They never talk about them. Now they cry for school. They never talk about them. They go they talk about police because the election don't reach. You go they increase their money. See our security defense leader. See all of them go they go APC meeting. Go they wear APC shirts now. Tell me who they go work for. So Nigeria, I beg. If you dey Nigeria, I beg. On election day, if you vote, carry your phone, follow body. This one not be for one person. This freedom we want fight so for Nigeria, not be for Oshowore, not be for me, not be for anybody. For your freedom, for you to live the way human being need to live. Please take it back movement. God will bless you guys, and you guys please stand on your move. We know that this thing is coming and it must come, because if you not come, I be saying I fake. Because it's a real movement, this kind of oppression will come. Because in a real movement, this kind of depression will come. This kind of dictating will come. This kind of evil thing, this kind of evil plan will come. Because in a real movement, because if you not come, I be say me go data and say maybe artificial day. So now this one I be the real fact say AAC is on ground. AAC is shaking the ground in Nigeria. Please, Nigerians, don't allow the intimidation of police to take you unaware for this movement. Don't fear. Don't be afraid. Do your best. Do your best with your phone, with your video. Let you have your proof that you are not there to destroy them the way they do it today. They were there peacefully yesterday or the first day. I saw the video today. Yes, I see the video today. So now the fact that when I see her, I know they are around since I was busy. So I beg my people, no matter what they want to do to us, we don't know now. Say police now for PDP or APC. APC now don't grant all the police to themselves. So police for Nigeria now they work. Now only Nigeria they see poster of politician for police station. Nigeria na the only country where they see poster of politician for television. Ha! Nigeria people, if we not fit take am back to 19, if we not fit take am back to 19, hey, I beg. If you like your family, tell them make them not vote for PDP and APC. I beg. Tell them, warn them about am. Tell them the evil plan. I beg, because that country, if we leave am for their hand, the next 5 years, the next 4 years, we leave that country for their hand. That country go finish. That country go pieces, because the country don already pieces. That country go your close, because these people they are ready. Buhari is ready to fight the last fight. The last fight. Buhari now the Nigeria now president go take country, no go talk. When he don comot, he go dey talk. If he dey Nigeria, he go be deaf and dumb. If he comot, he go dey talk. My brother, make we reason now. We all don big pass. I like Nigerians now. They don dey wake up. I dey watch street gist. I dey watch different street questions wey dem dey ask them. People don dey wake up. So I beg, make we not try, make we not forget, say our police not dey our side again on that election day. Na our telephone na dey our side. Na our telephone na be our proof. Na our telephone na go fit make dem not destroy everybody that day. So I beg, tell your papa, tell your mama, try let them get internet for their phone, or they get anything where they want to video themselves, make them not go kill them on that day. You understand? We were there Europe, we still get a lot of work to do. You understand? Maybe we also try, maybe we secure this vote. I beg. That's why I bring this suggestion come. This suggestion when I bring come, so maybe we all think and well, because we don't know now, say police not there our side. I beg, maybe we all join hands together. If like for we to go cry for parliament, for EU parliament, for Belgium, maybe we all try, maybe we contact ourselves, maybe we mobilize ourselves, maybe we go tell them, say, look, una say immigrants they disturb una. Immigrants no dey let una dey do anything. Every news wey we dey watch immigrants. Okay, now somebody don dey wey Nigerians wan vote for, but because of we no get security, make dem help us just go secure the vote. We dey beg dem. If not, if dem no help us secure am, next year we go protest make dem give us document, because dem don tire. Anybody wey fit comot for Nigeria need to give document for any country, because that country na fire. You understand? So make we try, make we do anything wey we fit take secure this vote, because me I know say Nigerians don ready to take their country back. Nigerians don seriously ready to take their country back. Make we all join us together, because I know say for sure PDP and APC don tire dem, and APC know say they don finish, and APC wan fight last fight. And this last fight wey they wan fight, so na two things e go bring: either e bring destruction, or e bring betterment for the country. You understand? Because they go lose this fight woefully. They go lose this fight in the matter of Nigerians. You understand? Because we are ready to take that country back, and that country must become the way we want it, not the way the Godfather want it, not the way the dictators want it, not the way the Buhari bring Butiku, not the way they want it, the way AAC we want to put Nigeria. So if you love your country, if you want your people to go to free school, vote for AAC and support Omoyele Sowore for president, because that is the only key to your free education. That is the only key to your free health. That is the only key to your freedom of speech. Not freedom of speech. There is no freedom after speech. That is the freedom of the movement you have in your country. That is the freedom of security. So all we join hands together and take our country back, because the police are not for us anymore. Let's start having a plan to take our country back. Let's start having a plan to take our country back. It's necessary. Please, Nigerians, join us together. Let's secure the vote, because Nigerians are ready to vote. Let's look for international security to secure that vote for us, because there is still time to prepare ourselves, because we will do whatever they never believe we can do to take it back, because we are ready, we are determined, and we are spiritually ready, minded ready, spiritual people, prepared people. Now they fight for AC. You understand? Those who really get in mind say the country go good 100%. Because many they think say Nigeria no go good for 100 years. Listen, if you put good person for president, one good person for president, under 4 years Nigeria can be like Dubai. It's possible. Not be say we dey talk, not be say person by they say they can't promise wey APC promise. No, APC they promise without not ready. How can somebody promise you all those giants promise 6 months you not give you minister? You dey talk say that one na person wey not ready now. Person wey don promise heaven and earth, he no plan how he want to do the promise. He want first sit down first before he go do promise. Listen, AAC is planning and showing everybody what is going to happen. And really, I like one question wey they ask Omoyele Sowore one time. He say, if you be what are you going to do in 100 days in office? How can you be saying 100 days in office? We are telling you what are you going to do the second day, the first hour you swear in. That's the president who want to work. What are you going to be doing the first hour, the first minute, the first seconds counted? That's the man we need in Nigeria. Please, Nigerians, security is a problem in that country for this election because PDP, APC, they don't buy the politics, they don't buy the police. I beg, I know say Nigerians are ready to take their country back by themselves. If you are doing this, don't do it for your Omoyele Sowore's sake. Don't do it for your own personal interest. You just have to do something. Anything we can do to secure this vote. We in the diaspora have a lot of role to play in that part of security in this vote, because that is the only way we can take it back successfully without bloodly. Because if we pass this successful revolution February 2016, if 2019, February 2019, if we pass this peaceful revolution vote, the next thing is bloody revolution. So Nigerians wey they afraid for war, we no want die. If you die, fella say if you die, they go take your body, they go arrest your body, go police station, they go say you die unlawfully. So if you no want die now unlawfully, if you no want make you hear unlawfully cry, make you try. Make we plan how you want to secure 2019, because Nigerians are ready now. They are determined, and I know, I bet myself, and I know that here for sure Nigerians are ready to vote for the rightful candidate. They know the right person to take them to the next highest level. So brothers and sisters, I love you all. God bless you. Just get down for your mind. Say time to plan to how we are going to secure our vote. That's the next plan. How we are going to secure that day, because we totally know now, it's well known to everybody, police are working for APC in Nigeria. So now the rest parties, you guys plan how to secure your vote. It's very important. Thank you very much. God bless you all. You know, we in Europe, God bless you the way you donate. You in America, you in the diaspora, God bless you guys. The way you support AAC, you do everything. We see everything online. God bless you guys. AAC say one love to you guys. Take it back is action. Take it back is action. 2019, our country is going to set on the right track. I know and I believe in it. And I know for sure 2019, Nigeria is going to set on the right track. It's a movie track. So the enemies can do nothing. The Babylonians can do nothing. So I say one love to you guys. One love. Take your country back. God bless Nigeria. God bless the listener. God bless the sharer. One love. That's it. Love you. Sign out.